Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. In today's video, I'll walk you through the Caesars Sportsbook app, what it is and how to use it. Let's get started. The Caesars Sportsbook app is a legal online sports betting platform that lets you place bets on major leagues like the NFL, NBA, MLB, NHL, soccer, tennis and many more, all from your phone. It is available in states where sports betting is legalized such as New Jersey, Michigan, New York, Arizona and others. The app uses your phone's location services to confirm you're in a legal state before you can place a bet. Now to use it, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app. If you haven't, so search Caesars Sportsbook on the search bar, then tap on the app, then tap on install, and after installing it, open up your app. Once you open it up, enter your personal details like name, email, date of birth and the last 4 digits of your SSN for identity verification. This step is required by law to confirm you're of legal age. Make sure your location services are turned on so the app can verify you're inside a legal state. You can choose from payment methods like online banking, debit or credit card, PayPal or Play Plus prepaid card. Enter the amount you want to add, confirm, and your account will be funded instantly in most cases. Now from the home screen, scroll through featured games and promotions. You can scroll down and see the featured games. Use the top menu to pick your sport. Right here at top you can see sports like NFL, NBA or soccer. Then tap the game you're interested in. Then choose a betting market such as money line, point spread or over under. Your pick will appear in the bet slip at the bottom of the screen. Enter your wager amount, then tap place bet. You'll instantly receive confirmation once your bet is live. To withdraw, go to your profile or wallet, then tap withdraw. Pick your payment method such as PayPal, Play Plus or bank transfer. Enter the amount and confirm. Processing time will depend on the method you select. Caesars also provides responsible gaming tools. In settings, you can set deposit limits, time reminders or self-exclusion options to help you stay in control. Remember, betting should always be fun, and that is how you can use the Caesars Sportsbook app step by step. I hope this tutorial helped you out. Like if it did and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.